People, hey, congratulations to our beautiful and amazing sister Aisha. God have done it again, but he always use her hand to throw away what God have given to her. My beautiful people, hey, this one hot to my people, not be small thing. Our ODOGWU boo, our ODOGWU bobo Doba Aisha, another beautiful new brand new car. But it didn't end well. It didn't end well. So I will be leaving this video for you guys to watch. Please do not forget to like and share. I appreciate you all. If you know you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you know you haven't followed my Facebook page, do follow. Like and share. Please, and God will bless you. If you love what I'm doing, if you love what you are watching, please like and share, subscribe and follow. I appreciate you all. Just guys, watch so that I will not waste you people time.
Oh, just wait now. I don't want. See all the books that he brought here. Aisha, there are so many packages here. There are so many packages here.
Aisha, with this book, you can gather knowledge. And I know we are still talking about marriage.
Now you go carry me, they go market.
Well, wait.
Knowledge can
Calm down. Open with
the only surprise I need is a car. Is a
open all these things.
Men are from Mars. Women are from
Such a good
The only reason why I'm still here is because of, to be honest, because like this man made an effort to bring all of you here. Chichoke knows how to always embarrass people.
Why not open?
I'm not opening. I'm tired of surprise. I'm not a fan of surprise. You should understand my love language. My love language is no surprise. I don't want it. You always try to, and then always with camera.
Wait. Yeah, no vex, I beg. If you buy a book for your wife, no be bad thing. No be bad thing.
So must you put it on camera? Must you gather conjure people to get something?
We came here for surprise. We came here for surprise.
Not because of the books. We did it because of you guys.
This is not support. And I don't want it. Did you know what it took him to make it a sit down? Can't put your hand on your make it sit down.
No, we have to. We have to. Aisha, please. Aisha, respect your husband now.
This is nice. For me, this is inspirational books. This is not the shop again now. This is not happening again. Imagine this guy. This is not happening again. Wait. This is
no. Leave that.
This is not happening again.
I say no.
Go call her. I don't understand. The woman not go call her. Go call her.
She go and call her. This is not happening again.
Better. Go and come now. Just carry her come on.
She could bring her out, please.
I don't know. No, calm down.
I think I even know.
Ijoma Biana, come out.
Please.
It's okay. No, tomorrow. Babe, I know why I bought you books. I'm not a stupid person. Well, since you have shown me that I'm a stupid, no problem. Chinyere, my penka. Just leave this one. Open this one. The camera, show this one.
I wouldn't like this thing to happen again.
You go happen, open this thing.
I don't want this kind of thing again.
Take it easy now.
Open. It's not another book. I said it's another book.
Aisha, you go calm down.
Another book.
What is this? Huh?
This thing was hid inside this book. Open up. Good morning, Holy Spirit. You need Holy Spirit in your life.
I think it's not funny. I know we like this. I should be ready to be chasing.
What is this?
Then, one for this.
Yeah, but second time now, bro.
What is this? What is this? What is hard to open? Not less than 10 books. What is the big deal there?
What the fuck is this?
Don't touch me, madam.
These books are part of everything. Like, it's necessary.
Intentionally, I could have come to say, take this car key. Ijoma has been saying that Benz is his dream car. You don't want surprise how?
But your husband not surprises. As in, he's the type that likes
This is what is the big deal that your husband bought you marital books. At least before progress.
At least from past experience.
Making marriage work.
Hey, no one read my carry go.
I have to. See, Baby, we've been having issues, yes.
I understand.
And I know that some of our issues that we're having, some of these books will solve it. Then at the end of the book, maybe after you wait, let me talk finish. After you have read the book, finish. Maybe after you have opened the book, finish and say, oh baby, thank you for these books. I appreciate. You will now open the last one that says, good morning, Holy Spirit. And inside it lies this wrapped car key. Why can't you understand patience in life? Patience is a virtue. Every marriage needs patience. This is just my way of teaching you patience. Trust the process. People, everybody here knows what is inside.
It's not the first time. No. It's not the first time. Sir.
That is how God will be telling you. Trust the process because God knows the end from the beginning.
Aisha, I don't know about your temper, but I think it's so high.
I know the end of this thing. Now me put them. And I'm telling you, trust me, trust the process. Ibalo, what is wrong in reading books? What the fuck? Can you make it?
I'm sorry. I've been stressed, taking care of a child. Only me, I don't have a help. I'm sorry. And then I don't like. I've always told you. My husband knows who I am. He knows I don't like all this show. Why every time he insists in the show?
Why can't I bring my friends to celebrate the first car I'm buying? Why can't I bring my friends to celebrate?
No, even from past experience, some gifts still there unwrapped. Unwrap them first, then finish the unwrapping first now. Finish the unwrapping before you begin the reaction.
You may think I'm joking. Maybe you think that this car key is just for maybe immigration opener. By me.
No boss.
Coincidentally.
No.
Now you carry.
No, just give her. No, just give her.
Let me know what you talk first. Let me know what you talk first. By me, go carry the car. And by the way, you know the funny thing, Ebuka, if you have him the other day, if this car parking here, this car has been parking here for a while. That day you came with that Mutum Bafu, Ice baby. If you notice, that car was parking here already. That was the day the seller Butelia can test the day she came to my house, this car was parking here. The day with one guy. Fair guy. That car was parking here, but she no go believe saying that I buy that car for, or that I won't buy her for. Baby, well look here.
Boss.
Hello. Go and bring the car in first here.
You bring it. No, say you take it back.
Yeah, Ben. So what am I wearing?
My line. I wouldn't like this to repeat itself.
You go repeat itself.
I beg. After she had the car. Why?
Because that man came to talk.
Now they've gathered us again. The same thing was
happen again. Go carry it out.
Aisha go blame you. Like this thing are the same thing now. You said go use scope. You go use scope. No say say the this man no run with this same thing again. They whine me.
I will read the books.
Reader. Now you want to read the books.
Like
Now you want to read the books.
same experience. Like use sense.
This is just a test of patience.
If not for anything,
That's still the same thing we don't solve before. You go use sense no now.
They can't just buy a book for a gift. I mean, normal thinking. She said that something is inside. You don't
If not me, it don't happen to me before. Just keep unwrapping. Just the unwrapper first.
Why your camera on? I guys on. Then See the fucking car here. Baby, enter inside. Enter inside. Open the gate. Open that gate. Benz are there back. Oh, there back. Get it very well. Look at it very well. Come inside. Come in.
Aisha.
I know what I passed through just to make Aisha happy. What else will I do? 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 Clean. Nema has been with the car since. Nema is inside that car. Nema has been with this car since. Is it the wrong thing for me to want to surprise you?
I will see boss they try to teach you questions. That's why I see it. Just say calm down. Just say patient dog they eat the fattest bone. No this one.
Baby, Teba, yes. What is your name? The car. This is my plan for you, Joma.
Hey, God.
This is my plan.
Oh, wow, it's on a village people.
Why can't somebody understand patience? Come down. Follow me, come down. If you know, be like say, I the one you know. Follow me, come down. Come. My just you.
This is the second time again. Move they go.
Charlie, my problem is that women are always so impatient. That's the packing. I don't know.
This is the interior. What else will I do for you, Joma? What else? This is the car you've been saying that you want there. Stop that. Live there.
It's not my car again.
This car will be like the promised land of Moses. Moses will see it, but he will not enter it. What happened before?
No.
Now who I tell you Mute? Yeah? Legendary.
No, Yan, no do am again like that now, Yan.
Go and check this guy.
Not a lot for this, and I don't like this. You guys are doing again. Not again.
Sorry, how? Not again.
Wait.
I'm not expecting this again.
Why can't he do? Why can't he come for once?
No, Yan, wait. Yan.
I'm sorry.
She don't fuck up, yes, but wait. Just run am.
What is there to
just run am for him.
We spent a lot for this. Yes, we already have open border, but it's not like that. Then why are you doing this to us? I don't care name again. I don't prefer name again. We've done this before. Why again?
What is bad with you treating my taboo?
I'm not happy. I will read them.
Legend, calm down.
She'll read the books.
Boss.
Yeah, she said
Take it back.
Yeah, she said she will read the book.
Yes,
calm down.
take it back.
You dare not.
How?
Give him the key. No, the other goes be an apple. Every time you be testing me, I be suya where you get test. I be generated and you test and scan.
I will take them back.
You will not. Enough is enough. Every time you keep testing me. I said I'm sorry. Why did you test me?
Come drive him.
I can't carry come on.
Come drive him.
If you don't want to buy, every time you
relax
pull up the car.
No, leave
You
him.
pull the car from car stand and come and do show. Use me to do content.
Okay, Boroka.
Yes.
I Boroka do.
Yes. Every time you want to
say
do
Boroka.
something.
Aisha, why you like
So,
that?
you want the guy like that for that they roll. Okay, if you don't want to buy for your wife a car, don't buy. It's not by force. I'll be. At least we still have one. You'll be taking me everywhere I'm going to. I don't care.
Aisha, you relax now.
I don't need it.
I borrow car. We be saying the people carry your name.
What is your problem? The first time you did it.
Okay, check this engine number. Come and check this engine number and take your papers.
I don't want this kind of thing.
Every time you be doing the same thing. You be doing the same thing. You always want to see me in my request. I don't need any useless surprise. What kind of look at getting rubbish?
Okay.
Every time you be making mockery of me, making fool of me.
Okay, take it.
Oh God, take it. Get out with it.
Aisha, relax. What is going on?
I should fly. I should fly.
Why you are
I didn't come on mistake. Did I not say?
How many mistakes will you do for you to learn?
I will keep making mistakes. I will keep learning. If you are a good husband, you understand me. Everybody here is begging.
Aisha, your papa is a good husband.
I mean, what's chatting? Carry car.
A good husband.
It's not supposed to be. If it is my time, God will send a car for me.
How will God send the car? God don't send
I
car.
can use my money.
The guy is here already now.
No. From where? So this, I don't be
I think say Aisha na social media person.
exactly expect anything from me.
Come on, you go give person bread, put am car
I
key.
like to be disappointed. I'm not appointed. I don't want anybody disappointed.
Really, I am.
Bing. See, they're going to not even make me make I face you. Wow. That meet your wife. And don't
Hey.
you want to so I make I roll for granted. I said if you don't want to give me
Don't call this thing, because the next thing now the thing will come into online. People will come to talk to Yamba.
Get off the video. Okay, they make video. Every time now,
Go to one video.
every time you
Phone now.
If you can't enter online, can't talk this thing.